Hey y'all, welcome up. Welcome back to another cleaning video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean my bathroom. And this is my master bathroom. It's not too messy, but it definitely needs a deep clean. And I'm excited because I'm using all Method products in this video. So basically what I like to do is start by clearing off the countertops and just kind of throwing it to the side, or I always just set it on the floor or in my room just to get it out the way. I normally try to clean the bathroom at least twice a week. Most of the time I do it on Sundays, but I really just wanted to get in and clean today because I bought all new Method products and I'm super excited to use them. I loved them and I really enjoyed using them, and they smell amazing, really refreshing and fresh. So yeah, I'm just cleaning off everything off my counter so I can go in and clean them off. And I use the Method antibacterial bathroom spray on my counters. I'm going ahead and putting on my gloves so that I can get on in and dirty. And I'm gonna be using the Mr. Clean Magic erasers later in the video, but I'm gonna start off with just like a regular sponge that you can pick up from anywhere basically. And like I said, I'm using the Method antibacterial bathroom spray, multi-purpose bathroom cleaner. And yeah, I like the way that it smells. I think it smells like spearmint. So this is a sponge that I'm using. It's just like a regular sponge that you can use for dishes or anything like that. I just posted a Target cleaning product haul. You can check that out. It'll be in the description box down below. So normally I like to start off with the countertops and then do the tubs last, because if I mop, then I use the tubs to clean the mop. But I did not actually mop today, or on camera I didn't mop for you guys. So I'm just starting off with the sink. All right, so next I am moving on into my shower. I do have a separate stand-in shower, as you guys can see, which gets pretty cluttered pretty quickly with soap, shaving cream, shampoos, razors, all that stuff. So I'm just cleaning all of that out before I go ahead and get in and clean it. I was really surprised that I was able to stand in here and clean the tub with no problems, because normally the cleaner that I use, or that I was using, was too strong. I would literally be gagging. So I was very pleasantly surprised that I could stand the smell. It smelled really fresh. It smelled like, I think it's in the scent eucalyptus mint. So it was really, I even called my husband in there to come and smell it, and yeah, I really enjoyed that. So I'm just taking a Mr. Clean Magic eraser now, because this thing really gets all the dirty, grimy stuff out of the tubs and the showers. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm just going in. So see, I this is where I called him in. I really did call him in to smell y'all. And I swear they don't ever want to come talk to me until I'm filming. I was really so happy that I was able to get into the shower and clean, because I've done it, but I haven't done it in a while, because like I said, the cleaning product that I was using, the product that I was using was so strong. I could not even breathe. So I was super happy to get in there and really get dirty. And this product specifically, it's the Method tile and tub cleaner for soap scum. It worked really well. I was surprised, and it lathers very well. Normally what I would use would be something like Scrubbing Bubbles or Lime-A-Way. Lime-A-Way, I don't really like it because, I don't know, it's very toxic. Oh yeah, y'all know I have to give my little dance in, but Lime-A-Way is very toxic, I think. And yeah, I just don't like using it, and it does smell strong. So now I'm just trying to rinse out the shower. I should have really bought like a you know, one of those hoses that you can like that hang so I can really clean the shower out. But I'm gonna make it work. I'm just gonna use a cup and rinse it out. Just whatever works. And to finish out the shower, I'm gonna go ahead and do the glass door. And once I clean off everything, I did take a paper towel and make sure I dry it down so that there's no streaks. And I didn't notice any streaks with this product like I normally do with all the other products that I was using. So that's another win for that. I really wasn't planning on mopping this day anyway, so I went ahead and got the tub out of the way. I don't really use this tub as much as I should. I need to. I haven't done it in a while, but my kids do use the tub quite often. So I'm just cleaning it out, and it's not very dirty at all. So I'm gonna just clean this really quickly using the same tub and tile cleaner and a just a sponge. I'm sorry, a Mr. Clean Eraser. And I don't know about you guys, but it is really satisfying seeing all the yucky grime come up from the bottom of the tub with the sponge. I don't know, I enjoy that because I know it's getting clean. Alright, y'all, moving on to the toilet. I always do the toilet last. This is kind of like what I was always told. You always do the toilet last. And I'm taking the antibacterial spray and I am, you know, spraying everything down, making sure I clean the baseboard and inside of the bowl. And if you don't clean down on the bottom of your toilet, you're just nasty. But seriously, that's like a spot that a lot of people miss, and that is the most important part because dust and hair and all that stuff kind of like clings to it. So yeah, I'm just cleaning the toilet, and I am gonna use like a toilet cleaner. I think this one's from Clorox, and I have my retainers in right now, you guys, so that's why I kind of sound like I can't talk. Okay, so once I finished that, I just wanted to go ahead and place everything away in its proper spot. I have to wash like the rugs and the mats and things like that. And yeah, you guys, I really enjoyed using these products in today's video. And again, as you saw, I used the Method cleaning products. And yeah, guys, this is the finished result of my bathroom. I honestly have not spent any energy to decorate this bathroom or even thought about it, so it's very bare, but I like how it's just empty and clean. But I do want to make it more like, you know, like we're living there. So yeah, comment down below some home bathroom decor ideas, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. Make sure you subscribe and thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.